If your X or Twitter notifications are getting flooded with spam, low-quality interactions, or random accounts you do not want to hear from, this video is going to help. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to mute specific notifications on xcom so you can clean up your notification feed without blocking people or unfollowing anyone. This is a simple setting that can make a huge difference if you want a calmer, more focused X experience. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, sign into your X account. Once you are logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click More. This opens up the extra menu options inside X. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Next, look for Notifications and open that section. This is where X keeps all of your notification preferences, so if you want to control what shows up and what gets muted, this is the place to start. After you open Notifications, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll see several options related to how your notifications work. Now click Filters. This is the section that lets you customize what kinds of notifications you want to reduce or mute. Once you are in Filters, click Muted Notifications. This page gives you the exact controls for muting notifications from different types of accounts. Now let's go through the options, one by one. You can choose to mute notifications from people you do not follow. That is useful if you want to focus more on your community, your followers, or accounts you already know. You can also mute notifications from people who do not follow you, which is great if you are trying to reduce random engagement or unwanted replies. Another option is to mute notifications from accounts with a new account. This can help cut down on spammy activity, especially from very new profiles. You can also mute notifications from accounts with a default profile photo, which often helps filter out low-effort or suspicious accounts. If you want even more control, you can mute notifications from accounts that have not confirmed their email, and you can also mute notifications from accounts that have not confirmed their phone number. The best part is that you do not have to choose just one. You can turn on multiple filters at the same time to make your notifications much cleaner and easier to manage. Just enable the options that fit your needs. As soon as you turn them on, your changes are saved automatically, so there is no extra save button to worry about. Once you have selected the filters you want, simply go back to your notifications page and check the difference. You should notice fewer spammy alerts and less clutter overall. And just to be clear, muting these notifications does not block people and does not unfollow them. It simply reduces the notifications you receive from those types of accounts. That means users can still interact with your posts unless you block or restrict them separately. This is a really useful way to keep your X notifications more manageable, especially if you have a growing account or you are active in a lot of conversations. It helps filter out low-quality interactions without taking any drastic action. So, if you have been wondering how to mute specific notifications on X or Twitter, now you know exactly where to go and what to turn on. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.